ये नाम कहाँ से पैदा हुआ, यादों की गीतमाला?
ये दीपक भाई के,
उनकी?
आई थिंक उनके ही है.
ओके ओके.
एंड ही आई थिंक हैज केप्ट इट फॉर ऑल हिज शोज, इस यादों की गीतमाला, बिकॉज इट्स ट्रिगरिंग ओल्ड मेमोरीज.
Cool. ये दंत कथा है, एज इन इट्स काइंड ऑफ किंवदंती के सुनील दत्त साहब एंड नरगिस की जो शादी थी
जी.
उसका निर्णय मदर इंडिया के सेट पर लिया गया था. सो आई टोल्ड यू आई एम टेकिंग लिबर्टी, यू कैन से जितुराज नहीं जवाब नहीं
बिल्कुल,
दूंगी.
बिल्कुल.
तो इस बात में कितना सत्य है कितना नहीं है?
सो ये बात मैंने मेरे पिताजी से भी पूछी थी, that, अच्छा, you saved mama from the fire and that's how you fell in love. It was like a very romantic thing. So he said, बिल्कुल नहीं. He's saying, I would have saved anybody. Okay, if this just so happened to be your mother, but अगर ऐसा situation में कोई और होता, I would have gone and saved that person also.
क्या बात है?
So I said, yeah, fair enough. And so he said, why I fell in love with her? Because I saw her compassion.
Wow.
I saw the kind of person she was. जब मैं उनको देखता था, इतनी बड़ी एक्टर, and वो बहुत बड़ी एक्टर थी तब.
Oh yes.
My father was still a coming up actor. And he said, when I used to see her even on the sets and how she was with the people on the sets, from a spot boy to the light person to the camera person, she was so down to earth. And one fine day, I expressed to her that, she said, why are you so sad? I said, my sister is very sick. I don't know which doctor to take her to. Without telling him, she went and took his sister to a doctor.
Wow.
So he's saying, seeing that compassion, that what a amazing lady she was, that I think, is what I fell in love with.
But आग से बचाया था जरूर.
जरूर बचाया था. And I think, of course, वहाँ भी कुछ ट्रिगर हुआ शायद, because my father got very badly burnt उस समय. And it was at that time where even my mother nursed him back. So I think, of course, there would have been some